students. In this video we are going to discuss problems from NCERT textbook related to geometric progression concept. If pth, qth and rth terms of a GP are a, b, c respectively, prove that a into q minus r into b power r minus p into c power p minus q is equal to 1. So pth term is equal to a. We know that pth term, like fifth term, sixth term, pth term can be written as a into r power p minus 1. You observe it, we assume it a, capital A as the first term, capital R as the common ratio, because already here we have this small a and small r. So in order to avoid the confusion, we are taking capital A as the first term and capital R be the common ratio. So pth term can be written as a into r power p minus a, whose value is given as a in the problem. So we are writing it. And then qth problem, a into r power q minus 1, which value is equal to b, and rth term a into r power r minus 1 is equal to c. Now our aim is to multiply this a into a power q minus r into p power r minus p into c power p minus q. Hence what we do is we are substituting this a value in the corresponding expression. In the left hand side we are substituting this a value, capital A into r power p minus a, we are getting it, and in place of b we are substituting this a into r power q minus 1, and then in place of c we are substituting this a into r power r minus 1, and then this q minus r is there, just we are multiplying all of them together. So a into, just we are applying exponent formula, like a into b whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m. We are just applying that formula. Q minus r is multiplied with a, and then here r minus p is multiplied with a. We are applying this exponent problem. Since base are same, we can add the power, so that is what is written here. And then this r power is, now this q minus r, this r minus p, and this one is multiplied together, we are getting this expression. If you observe it, here we have minus p and plus b, all of them are added together, so this will become 0. Minus q and plus q will get cancelled, plus r minus r will get cancelled, so we get a power 0. Similarly here also we can cancel it, we get r power 0. We know that anything power 0 is 1, hence the final answer we got. Hence the question is proved. I hope you can understand this. Now we move on to the next question. If the first and nth term of a GP are a and b respectively, if p is the product of n terms, prove that p square is equal to a into b whole power n. So in this problem it is given that first term of the GP is equal to small a, and nth term is equal to b. We know that nth term can be written as a into r power n minus 1 is equal to b. Here we take small r as the common ratio. So based on this observation, we can say that r power n minus 1 is equal to b minus a, and r value is equal to this n minus 1 will go to the opposite side as 1 divided by n minus 1. We got the value of r, and already we know the value of a. Now product of first n terms. Product of first n terms means we know that first term can be written as a, second term can be written as a into r, third term can be written as a into r square, and nth term, similarly nth term can be written as a into r power n minus 1. This is the first term, second term, third term, and nth term. Here if you observe it, we are multiplying everything, there are n a's, so a power n. And if you observe it, in the first term we do not have r, but in the remaining terms we have r, so we are taking r as common, it goes up to n minus 1. So bases are same, so we are just adding the power, it goes up to n minus 1. So if you observe it, this is sum of first n natural numbers. If there are n terms, mean we can write the formula n into n plus 1 by 2, but here we have n minus 1 terms, hence in place of n we have to substitute n minus 1, so we get this n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, So we get this formula n into n minus 1 by 2 and a power n into r power n into n minus 1 by 2. Now we can find out this value because already we calculated the r value as b by a to the power of 1 minus n and then this formula. Now we can multiply this we can apply the exponent formula. When we simplify it, we are getting this expression, and when we simplify it, we are getting the final answer. I hope you can understand this for this problem. Now we move on to the next question. Show that the ratio of the sum of the first n terms of a GP to the sum of the terms from n plus 1th term to 2nth term is 1 divided by r power n. First we need to find out sum of first n terms of a GP. After that, from n plus 1th term to 2nth term, we need to find out if a comma ar square be the GP, means sum of first n terms is given by Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Let the sum of the GP from n plus 1th term to 2nth term can be denoted as Sn to the dash is equal to this a into r power n. N plus 1th term can be written like this, n plus 2nd term can be written like this, 2n term can be written like this. So we can substitute the formula, that is a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. In place of a, we have to substitute this first term, that is a into r power n 1 minus r power n. So this is the sum of the terms from n plus 1th term to 2n. Now we need to calculate the ratio. So Sn divided by Sn dash is equal to this value and divided by this value. Corresponding values 1 minus r got cancelled, 1 minus r power n 1 minus r power n got cancelled, a got cancelled. We get finally 1 divided by r power n. I hope you can understand this problem. With this problem I am completing this video. Thank you students. Thanks for your cooperation.